On your marks, get set, go!
It's been incredibly exciting to have this programme with Greyfriars School over the last few weeks. We've really wanted to use sport as a way of creating opportunities for school kids across Oxford to make the best use of our sports facilities and try to inspire their interest in university, to see that what happens in universities can be really exciting, engaging and uplifting, and using sport as a connecting point. To have Year 8s from Greyfriars, 12 and 13-year-olds, able to come and try out basketball, athletics, football, a bit of rowing, even motorsport and American football, has been a great opportunity for them. It's been a great opportunity for us and our students to connect to a local school, and also to draw on some of our academics and our colleges to provide a little bit of an academic programme and ensure that kids from our local area can get into colleges, see what happens behind those walls, and get a sense that actually we're a friendly, open community and we want to offer sport and educational opportunities to the broadest possible group of people.